Well, good afternoon, everybody. RV living with the geezer. My assistant is conked out. Yeah. But, yeah, I was talking about in an earlier video, my microwave blew up the other night, and lightning was coming out of it, and smoke and fire, so I went ahead and jerked that bad boy out of that hole, and it was real easy. It just has this little old frame. You can see where I pulled the screws out. Had four screws holding it in, and I couldn't figure out what this metal box is, so I texted my RV repair guy that came out and installed a new air conditioner for me a while back, and of course no answer from him. You know, if you're just asking them a question, I guess they're not gonna help you out. So you can't make any money that way. But I looked inside of it here with a flashlight, and it's empty. All it is a metal box. So I guess it's to, and I don't know what it's there for. But it doesn't matter, because old geezer, he don't mess around, guys. I done filled the hole. I went up to Walmart. I measured the microwave out, of course, and the opening, of course. Went to Walmart, and I was going to get a replacement microwave, but I spotted this. I went, you know what? Because Stephanie has an air fryer. And, oh, gosh, she makes the best potatoes, the best chicken wings. I mean, the chicken wings are, they're as good as I've had in her air fryer. And this thing is a combination, and my toaster went out the other night, too. My little old cheap toaster. So, this thing's also, it'll toast. Does 5 things: bake, toast, air fries, it solves math problems for you, and reads your palm. Yeah, something like that. I haven't read all the directions yet. But here's a direction book. Yeah, gives you some recipes in the back too. So, I want to show you all this. Cool little card here from my buddy across the Pacific Ocean, Barbone. And he sent me, here's one up here he sent me before. And he sent me this card. I got it yesterday. And it says, sending smiles from across the pond. Sending you smiles from across the pond. Barbone. And, there it is. There's my address. He's up in Chiang Khong, Thailand, or maybe that's just where the pictures are from. But yeah, old Barbone, he's an old Big Bend boy, and yeah, so he's been around the globe a few times. Thank you, Barbone. I'm gonna hang her up there in my studio over here, my gallery. Anyway, here's what we did, guys. I stuck it in the hole, and yeah, it's got all sorts of racks and everything. It's got a crumb catcher, and look how clean everything is right now. It won't stay that way very long, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Except they put a cord on it about 1 foot long. So the cord for the microwave, there's a hole up there. See that hole up there in the side? And the plug is right here in this cabinet. I don't know if you can see that or not. So I'm going to have to get a little, one of a heavier gauge extension cord, the shortest one I can get. And so I can get it plugged in. Yeah, they really spared, they put like a foot, like say, foot long cord on it. But anyway, it's a Black & Decker, and it's, yeah. So that ought to do the trick. I wasn't really in love with microwaves anyway, you know, and I've got enough, you know, if I want to warm some food up, I've got more than a minute to warm my food up. I can wait 5-10 minutes to warm some food up with this thing. So it ought to work real well. Then I have, of course, I have my standard oven here, you know, my gas oven. As long as it keeps, this trailer's getting to be almost 3 years old now, and things, here went the microwave. And of course, y'all know about the biggie. Yeah, the air conditioner went out already. Yeah, $1,700, more than that, $1,800. And these trailers, they build them with the cheapest junk they can put it. This radio in here is a piece of, pardon my language, no, I won't say it. It is probably the cheapest thing you can put in. I've never have gotten it to pick anything up. So I ought to get rid of it and just, I got another little cabinet there. Same brand of TV, but knock on wood, so far so good with the TV. It's been all right, but yeah, 3 years old, things start falling apart in these trailers, so it's just the way it is. It is what it is. So this bad boy is going, it's going to go on a trip to Cottondale, Texas, to the dump in Cottondale. Yep, that thing and that little toaster. I am so sorry I disturbed your nap. Oh, yep, she's hot. Look at that. Yep. Yeah. Oh, she's gonna try to stand up. There she goes. All righty. All right, guys. So anyway, Geezer's got him a crispy bake. I'll cook something in it and show you. First thing I want to try to cook is some French fries like Stephanie makes. Yeah, I'm looking forward to this. So, you know, everything works out for the best. You know, because as long as that microwave would have been working, I would not have bought one of these, because I wouldn't have had any place to put it. You know, I can't give up any more counter space. So, so everything works out. And I used 2 gift cards I had, $25 a piece from that I've been hanging on to. And so for the it was about almost $60. So I only ended up, with the tax, I only ended up paying about $15 out of my pocket, which was really, really bueno. All right, guys. Stay blessed. I'll leave you with a shot of my girl. Stay positive. And stay healthy. She's about ready. Look at those eyes. She's dozing off again. Blanca, am I that boring? All right, guys. Adios, my friends. Bye-bye.